Washing machine washed clothes or not clean. There is a bad smell because long-term use of the washing machine is a cesspool of bacteria accumulation. Look at this. It can quickly help you solve this dilemma. Just put it in the washing machine, put the water on, and start it. Proven to kill 99% of pathogens and germs, fueled up and even removes grease. The main thing is that the packaging is made of environmentally friendly biodegradable cardboard. So why not try this washing machine bubble ball?